but then there's so many things happening.
Shut up!
We just...
So si Pocholo ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, you're so close.
I know.
Why are you not in frame?
I don't want to be in the video.
We're making milk tea. Na-na-na-na.
It's just a theme song here.
Yeah. In 30. What else do I have to say? I have to introduce friends, eh? This is Thisa, this is this is Alex, and this is Mika, and that's Fitz.
Cool guy. He's so strokes for
With long hair
Yeah.
and music skills.
Gawin na ng flex kaya ano, para sumugin.
Okay, yeah,
How do you start?
trendy.
I don't like
This
it.
intro's going nowhere. Let's just cut to the title screen.
I don't know what to talk about.
Tapioca.
This is the
Boba.
Tapioca, they look like
They're like
Eggs.
small black balls.
fish eggs. Like caviar, but bigger. Not sure. It doesn't look like caviar right now, though. But you look
Caviar's
at the
so small,
picture.
what's wrong with
Yeah. It's smaller. I said bigger, right?
Well, let the editors. Well, I'll look back at this footage. And...
Like caviar, but bigger.
But that's 1 is to 6. 1 cup of tapioca is to 6 cups of. Oh my goodness, that's so.
Milk tea.
No, 6 cups of water.
What? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
So basically, to make tea, you just need to put a bunch of tea bags or tea leaves into hot water. The difference is if you're using like straight tea leaves, you can't let the water boil because you'll burn the tea. So it shouldn't reach 100 degrees centigrade if you're using tea leaves. If you're using tea bags,
This is so official.
if you use tea bags, you boil the water first and then you pour it. But we're gonna do a mixture of both because we don't have enough tea leaves, and I don't want to use up all my tea for all of you guys. Thank you. So that's it. Yes.
Really honest.
No offense, but I need my tea sometimes.
Yeah.
Especially when it annoys me. I don't think I put this in afterwards. As long as it doesn't boil. Where did you get that? Mama bought it from a friend. I think we have how much? That's probably 3 liters of water.
What happens if you burn it?
Then you have burnt tea.
What does it taste like? It's too big.
It tastes like, it's kind of like when you tasted like really bad coffee because the beans were like really bitter. Kind of like that.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah, because you don't toast your own beans.
So just cover it.
I mean, you don't have to film the tea boiling. That's like, so
You should
boring.
just take a video of the tea boiling if you want, like a time lapse of the tea boiling.
Don't tell the producer what to do.
Do you like milk tea?
What's that?
I don't know.
Mistakes
What
were
is
made.
that?
I
How
have
did
no
that
idea.
get there? Miggi, it was magic. Did you just see that? How did this get there?
Wasn't tungod kayo matibutang sa kuwan?
No, this is the tea bag.
Hindi mo na susunod sa kanina.
Lagi, it's the demon of the house, Lagi.
You know, the demon only comes when you're around.
I bring him around. He comes from my house. His name is Fitz.
Demon.
true.
No.
Eggnog.
No,
Eggnog.
It's not Market Spencer's, it's bad. It's better.
The fancy
This is why I'm really sad and I need help.
She wants to be helpful. That's okay.
Actually, Mika is more interested than I am.
Maybe Mika should host the show.
Good.
Hi, Alvin! I like Alvin!
Ito, I don't know. Okay, no.
Yes, that's
what I have to deal with.
Is this?
I have to edit all of this.
Di ba good? Ikaw ang producer pero di rin sila minasa.
And I thought the mac and cheese episode was a chaotic. How long is this gonna boil for?
So, I think that's it.
Yeah, I was waiting for the simmer. Then I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes so it's strong.
So, should we end it? Alex, is it filming na?
Oh wait, no.
Samok ka! Worst assistant ever joke.
So first, apparently, according to Manaig number 2, you add the boba first. And then if you want, you can do it.
You move there. You move there.
Because Alvin did it.
Producer.
Because
Producer.
You can put more.
I'm so proud of you.
How many balls do you want, Lex? Do you want the balls up to here?
no,
You want a lot of
just
balls?
right.
You don't want a lot of
No,
balls?
that's fine na.
Just right. What define just right?
You know, ikaw na rin.
Guys, we should be in the video.
No, I don't want to. I'm not part of this one. You put ice. You have to wash your hands first, but I don't know what you want. Diba ice?
Yeah, it's ice.
What did you say? Okay.
Ice and then tea.
And then milk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the...
Last
Last
one.
guys.
So kuripot bisag ice.
No, I think you should lugong the ice so that you won't know. Okay, tama na na. Okay. I think that's enough. Diba?
Yeah,
It makes sense.
I prefer a lot of ice though.
Ako po.
I have 0 ice mango so I can taste the tea. Sure.
Why are you guys so messy?
Because we have fructose corn syrup, which is bad for you because the fructose immediately becomes
You're too
fat.
tall. You can't be annoying.
Fructose
Your
corn-
head's cut off. Stop moving the chair.
You can use either brown sugar, or you can do fructose syrup. I don't really like fructose syrup because it's bad for you. Because fructose
sounds like sugar.
immediately,
Oh, fructose. This
Fructose is
fruits,
sugar.
right? Fruit sugar.
not necessarily. It is when you break
Why? I
down
just learned that bio.
I mean, yeah, but it's when you break down sucrose and it becomes fructose.
Elementary, but there's so many.
Elementary?
Don't you learn
Sige
that?
na, ice mag
What? It's so small. You should add more then. You should add more of this. The boba.
No, don't.
She wants it milky.
The kitchen noobs have babies now.
I'm not.
So scary, did you know?
Just a rookie. No, I did it with rookie. Ate Mika, she makes good chicken adobo. Swear.
Just adobo.
Ooh. Huh? Yeah, like maybe anything. I'm just joking.
Yeah, scrambled egg, fried egg,
Or,
hot dog,
for your
corned beef.
information, I made good scrambled eggs.
Just scrambled egg. I can make a frittata and an omelet.
I can't do though.
Okay, on the next episode, scrambled egg and omelet.